Hello guys, welcome again to another qualification video. So today we are going to qualify for a list title classification, this one here. Okay, so first of all guys, I just wanted to say thank you for everyone who has been watching my videos, and I hope these videos are helping you to increase your online earnings. Okay, in case this is your first time watching my videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be notified every time that I upload new videos. Okay, so without wasting too much time, please let's log into our UHRS accounts and let's qualify for this one. Okay, so there will be 10 hits in the qualification process, and in this Hitapp guys, we've been provided with a title here, and we've been given some criteria that we are supposed to follow to judge this title. Okay, so if the title doesn't meet one or two of the criteria, just click on doesn't meet, then you submit. So let's check the criteria that we are supposed to follow for it to meet the criteria. Okay, for the title to be a good title. So a good title is clearly a title of a list. So first of all, it must be a list. Okay, so these are titles that maybe 10 fastest things. You see, a list of things. The title must be of a list. If it's not a list, just click on doesn't meet, then you submit. Okay, so guys, everything is here, so just read them, this one and this one. So if the title falls under any of these, just click on doesn't meet, then you submit. So for meet, let me just read them. It is clearly a title of a list of items. Okay, is family friendly content. Okay, is the title is interesting content that you'd feel comfortable sharing with a friend. So if the title is interesting and you can share it with your friend, just click on meet, then you submit. Is about a topic that appeals to a wide range of people. So if the topic is you can share it with a lot of people, just click on yes, then you submit. So for doesn't meet, these are titles that are offensive or vulgar. So if you see any title that is offensive or vulgar, just click on doesn't meet, then you submit. Okay, boring titles, just click on doesn't meet, then you submit. And also titles that talking about drugs, okay, or tobacco, just click on doesn't meet, then you submit. So let's start with this one. So this one is 12 best flowers to plant for spring. When to plant? Okay, and also this one is a good title, so I'll click on yes, then I submit. So 11.2. So for this one guys, it's not even clear. So for this one, I'll click on doesn't meet, then I submit, because contain characters, okay, contain formatting errors, is about topic, okay, appears fake or untrustworthy. Okay, so for this one, this title is not clear. So true of what? So I don't know what the person was looking for. So just click on doesn't meet, then I submit. So 11 things so for first of all, this one already contain characters that are not in English. So if you check the guideline down here, we have been told here that contain characters that are not standard English letters, numbers or punctuations. Now you see here, this title here up here contain those characters. So these characters will make it to not meet the criteria. So I'll click on doesn't meet the criteria, then I submit. So 11 varieties and types of nuts. So I'll search this on Google. Don't know what that is, so search it in Google. Oh, nuts. So 11 varieties and types of nuts. So this one is a good title, so I'll click on yes, it meets, then I submit. So 12 best freshwater algae eaters for your aquarium. Nice. So this one is a good title, so I'll click on yes, then I submit. The next one is 12 animals that can live after death. 12 animals that can live after death. So first of all, 12 animals that can live after death. When we check the guideline here, it's about a topic that first changing. Okay, wait, when you check the examples down here, wait. So how to sign up for COVID vaccine? Okay, this is not a title or a list. It look like info that may quickly yeah, best food that makes your child taller. So this seems like questionable medical advice, like this one also. So this one also is a questionable medical advice. So this one I'll click on doesn't meet, then I submit. So the next one is 12 beautiful breeds of dogs with floppy ears. So this one is a good title. Click on yes, then I submit. The next one is 12 different types of groceries. As interesting fact. So this one, first of all, you see it contains characters that are not in standard English characters. So I'll click on doesn't meet here, then I submit. So the 11 best egg laying chickens. The 11 best egg laying chickens. So this one is a good title. Click on yes, then I submit. And so 21 cancer celebrities. Let's check this in Google first of all. What celebrities who do their zodiac. Okay, so this one I'll come here and click on doesn't meet. Then I submit. And yes guys, you see we've passed. Okay, so I hope you've seen all my answers. I believe if you watch this video until this part, you are going to qualify for this Hitapp also. For those of you who haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, and please give me any suggestion that you have about any Hitapp that is giving you trouble in the comments below. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.